Many others have already commented on social media, having they announced these plans in the past. This, however, differs from what they have previously stated. Their long-standing announcement to establish a plant in China has a straightforward explanation. China is the world's largest market for electric vehicles. Although Tesla has been seeing an uptick in sales, this growth has not been very significant. We have visited the Tesla gallery and some of the charging stations in China. China accounted for about 14% of its revenue last year. From this perspective, the ambitions to construct a gigafactory in China are noteworthy. It would serve as a location for both car final assembly and battery manufacture. And the majority think it's the Model Y, a tiny crossover utility vehicle anticipated in the next 2 to 3 years, as well as the Model 3, the mass market model that they're only now beginning to manufacture and ship from the US. One component of the least expensive way to genuinely expand grid capacity is the use of megapacks. Building a solar farm is significantly less expensive than building a coal, natural gas, or, at this point, even nuclear power station. Tesla is at the forefront of innovation as the globe rushes towards a greener future. Come along as we explore the complexities of this enormous project and the revolutionary effects it is expected to bring about in the global energy environment. Tesla has the potential to completely transform energy storage on a global level with the opening of their Megapack factory in China. Come along as we delve into the specifics of this enormous undertaking and examine how Tesla's avant-garde thinking is transforming the energy landscape. Prepare for an exciting voyage that lies ahead. But before, please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons if you haven't already. Additionally, remember to use the notification bell. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Now let's begin this video. The energy section of Tesla is gaining attention as a possible market titan. By the end of the year, experts anticipate that revenue and margin growth will have significantly doubled, and predictions indicate that this exponential growth will continue in the upcoming years. But in order to do this, a number of important actions must be completed, one of which is the start of building at the Megapack factory in China. There has been some exciting news the site is finally starting to show signs of building. It appears that progress is being made based on recent observations of new equipment in the area. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has stated that he wants the storage division of his company to be just as significant as the production of electric vehicles. The International Energy Agency predicts that storage capacity would increase from 19.3 gigawatt hours in late 2020 to nearly 150 gigawatt hours by 2026, indicating that this is a burgeoning sector. Following the construction of the electric vehicle factory in 2019, this plant will be Tesla's second in China. It was announced during the signing ceremony back in December that work will begin in the first quarter. And it appears like Tesla is on track, as promised. Let's not ignore this important factor in the midst of all the excitement surrounding developments in other fields such as bots and FSD. Tesla appears to have started building the Megapack factory, which is important. Observers who are diligent, like Wowo, have provided visual evidence of encouraging improvement. Here are the opinions of a few specialists on the matter. Indeed, the energy frontier is exciting. It's essential for supporting our grid's dependability, which is something that's sometimes overlooked. We are at a turning point in the economy where avoiding economic traps and promoting growth are crucial given the increasing need for electricity, especially from power-hungry industries like artificial intelligence. We have to welcome technological progress. When weighed against more conventional energy sources such as coal or natural gas, megapacks seem to be a financially sensible way to increase the capacity of the system. The capacity to capture solar radiation and store it for future use is extremely essential, particularly for projects like AI data centers that need continuous power. Electrification, which includes the world of electric vehicles, is definitely necessary as we move forward, but the majority of our future energy needs will come from emerging industries like artificial intelligence. In order to satisfy these changing demands, we must make the necessary investments to scale up our electrical infrastructure. Megapacks are essential for meeting the rapidly increasing energy demand in growing economies such as China and India, as well as in the United States. Tesla has taken a calculated risk by establishing a Megapack plant in China in order to serve these expanding markets. It is probable that the Shanghai Gigafactory's capacity may be fully utilized by local demands alone, let alone meeting India's needs, given the enormous demand, particularly in China. Elon Musk has already made suggestions that eventually the energy industry will be more profitable than the main vehicle industry. After large-scale battery installations were successful and began to turn a profit over time, Tesla's energy business enters a new chapter with the construction of this Megapack factory. The swift establishment and financial success of Giga Shanghai set an example, suggesting that the Shanghai Megapack factory may accelerate Tesla's potential to boost its profits. Energy is still a crucial component, particularly given how much more energy supercomputers need to operate. Robust energy solutions are urgently needed, since reports indicate that computer giants like Microsoft are having trouble supplying power for their enormous computing clusters. In meeting this demand, Tesla's massive pack factories may prove to be important actors, possibly surpassing the need for traditional power sources. During the conversation about energy consumption, a startling discovery about the constraints that tech behemoths like Microsoft face emerges. According to reports, Microsoft engineers are having a lot of trouble provisioning electricity for their massive processing clusters. Kyle Corbett, who spoke with a Microsoft engineer working on the GP6 training cluster project, said that the sheer amount of power needed to co-locate the cluster in one state proved to be an obstacle. Remarkably, it has come to light that more than 100,000 H100 NVIDIA processors in one state can perhaps overload the electrical system, highlighting the urgent necessity for reliable energy solutions. This disclosure clarifies the enormous obstacles its sector must overcome to keep up with the growing demand for energy, underscoring the pressing need for breakthroughs like Tesla's massive pack factories. Shanghai's construction is expected to move quickly now that it has started. Construction is expected to finish in 9 months, which will be a major accomplishment. Ground observations show encouraging signs of development, with large cranes already at the location suggesting that progress may pick up speed. Tesla used to have to import materials for large-scale battery installations from the United States, but Shanghai's strong battery supply chain offers a clear benefit. Tesla hopes that by placing the manufacturing near the supply chain, it can accelerate production and ultimately increase profitability. This achievement is exciting and portends well for Tesla's future attempts, even with the slightest of delays. Top Tesla executive Rohan Patel recently emphasized how India's ambitious energy ambitions depend increasingly on sophisticated battery storage technologies. It is clear from drawing comparisons to the development of telecommunications infrastructure that technological breakthroughs open up new avenues for more affordable and easily available solutions. When combined with the advancement of microgrid technology and the falling cost of solar and wind power, the stage is expected to undergo a global energy infrastructure revolution in the ensuing decades. India, with its large and highly intelligent populace, emerges as a thriving center of innovation and progress, but compared to other developed countries, the country struggles with infrastructural shortcomings that impede its progress toward growth. However, the emergence of advanced technologies offers India a chance to overcome historical obstacles at a fraction of the price paid by industrialized countries, potentially bringing about increased engagement and economic empowerment for Indians on the international scene. This shift has immense promise not only for India but also for the global economy as a whole. Similar to the telecoms industry, where developing nations have eschewed antiquated technologies, India is positioned to welcome the upcoming technological revolution. The need for megapack factories will increase dramatically because of the impending requirement for data centers and a reliable power grid. Tesla's calculated decision to build these factories, the Shanghai plant, serves as an example as consistent with their track record of exceeding early projections, which is similar to Giga Shanghai's successful launch. There is growing conjecture over the potential for other factories in India, maybe existing before auto factories. As countries prepare to handle the energy demands for expanding data centers, megapack factories become essential assets due to the critical role that energy storage plays in enabling technological developments and powering data centers. Furthermore, by presenting potential answers for grid stability and long-term energy storage, Tesla's pursuit of hydrogen fuel cell technology broadens the energy scene. The focus of talks on energy solutions shifts to fuel cell technology, which presents viable substitutes for traditional energy sources. Compared to current alternatives, these sophisticated fuel cells, which can run on both hydrogen and natural gas, offer greener energy sources. Nuclear energy has a lot of promise, but regulatory obstacles prevent it from being widely used. However, there is optimism for overcoming these obstacles and diversifying the energy environment thanks to the advent of breakthrough technology. Even with legislative restrictions, nuclear energy is still a crucial factor to take into account while planning for a sustainable future. However, there is hope that humankind's combined inventiveness will enable it to traverse and conquer obstacles. Our capacity for creativity and adaptation, even in the face of overwhelming adversity, is demonstrated by history. Perhaps now is the appropriate time for you to invest if you want to change the world and have an impact on your future. But who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? That would be Seeking Alpha, our sponsor for today. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for all things Tesla, including the most recent information on Elon Musk, innovation, stock price targets, and Tesla, catering to fans of the company and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. Avoid the mainstream media's negative commentary about Tesla. The greatest place to find news on Tesla on the internet is Seeking Alpha. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. The necessity of meeting the rising energy demand is highlighted by Tesla's strategic focus on energy generating. Notwithstanding the obstacles facing the solar roof project, Tesla's focus on producing megapacks suggests a move toward large-scale energy storage technologies. By giving megapack development first priority, Tesla hopes to take advantage of the current developments in solar cell manufacture and profit from the lowering cost of solar energy over the next 10 years. Tesla is a major actor in the changing energy landscape by driving innovation in battery storage. Focusing on the megapack business stands out as a crucial lever for expediting the shift through hardware and software advancements, especially in the auto bidding system, when evaluating Tesla's role in improving sustainable energy. As energy demands rise, Tesla promotes efficiency in energy distribution and storage. It is impossible to overestimate the importance of data centers. They give Tesla a distinct advantage in the tech industry by acting as the foundation for the advancement of artificial general intelligence and artificial intelligence. Elon Musk's ability to predict impending bottlenecks, such shortages of chips and the ensuing need for energy, highlights Tesla's proactive approach to resolving foreseeable issues. As the complexities of energy transmission are examined, it becomes clear that transformers are essential for bridging the energy generation and consumption gaps. Tesla lessens the burden on the electrical grid and lessens dependency on substantial transmission infrastructure by decentralizing energy generation and putting megapack installations closer to consumption hotspots. This twofold gain improves energy distribution even more by reducing the requirement for transformers and boosting grid resilience. That's pretty much it there is to this video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the space provided below for us to hear from you. Hey, if you like this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like it to show your support. This is news about Tesla stocks. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.